Do you want to be alone for the rest of your life?
I want to be at peace for the rest of my life. I got somewhere to be. I'll hit you later.
You're lying through your teeth. It's fine. As long as whatever it is you're holding on to is worth 25 to life. There is no way this man is your boyfriend. I know you. There is no way this setup is for someone you've been dating. You only go this far out for first dates or special occasions.
Born Jewish, and her family is from Poland and Russia, and my dad, he's from Mexico. He was born and grew up in Mexico, but before he and my mom got married, he converted to Judaism. Interesting, because as I grew older, I realized that both sides of my family have maybe different perceptions of the other side, of the other identity.